Hi guys, today on Budget Buying, we're checking out the top 5 best safety shoes, packed with protection, comfort, and durability for tough work environments. Each pair offers unique advantages you'll want to know. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Kankeirr T02 safety shoes. The Kankeirr T02 safety shoes are designed for individuals who require both comfort and protection in demanding environments. Crafted with a soft, foldable body, these shoes are easy to bend and wear, ensuring long hours of use without discomfort. The Flyknit breathable upper promotes airflow, keeping feet cool and preventing the feeling of stuffiness, while the sandwich breathable inner lining further enhances comfort throughout the day. The shoes feature an anti-slip rubber sole with a concave convex pattern, providing enhanced grip on various surfaces and reducing the risk of accidental slips. Their wear-resistant construction and puncture-resistant rubber sole offer reliable protection against harsh conditions, including exposure to iron filings at room temperature. For safety in hazardous environments, the Kankeirr T02 incorporates a built-in steel toe cap that is resistant to smashing, paired with a Kevlar midsole to prevent punctures. Reinforced toe caps also provide additional protection against collisions and accidental kicks, ensuring the toes are shielded during work. Designed to balance safety and comfort, these shoes combine advanced protective features with breathable materials and ergonomic design. This makes the Kankeirr T02 a dependable choice for anyone seeking a versatile safety shoe capable of handling tough workplaces while keeping the wearer's feet comfortable and secure. The Kankeirr T02 safety shoes embody a thoughtful combination of durability, protection, and comfort, providing a practical solution for daily use in industrial or construction environments. Coming in at number 4, the Crytox safety shoes. Crytox safety shoes are designed to combine cutting-edge protection with everyday comfort, making them an essential choice for anyone working in demanding environments. At the heart of these shoes lies a puncture-proof Kevlar midsole, offering exceptional resistance against sharp objects while maintaining flexibility and comfort. This feature ensures that your feet stay safe without compromising mobility, even during long hours on hard or uneven surfaces. A standout feature of the Crytox safety shoes is the night light strip design, which adds visibility in low light conditions. This innovative touch enhances safety for night shifts or dimly lit workspaces, allowing wearers to be seen more easily while also giving the shoes a modern, stylish look. For impact protection, these shoes feature anti-smashing European standard steel toes, providing robust defense against heavy falling objects. This ensures that even the most hazardous workplaces can be navigated with confidence. The combination of a strong steel toe and Kevlar midsole makes Crytox shoes highly reliable for industrial, construction, and warehouse settings. The 3D rubber sole is engineered for non-slip and wear-resistant performance, providing secure traction on a variety of surfaces. Its durable design not only prolongs the lifespan of the shoes, but also ensures stability and balance, reducing the risk of slips or falls in wet or oily conditions. Crytox safety shoes strike a balance between high-level protection and ergonomic design. They are engineered to support natural foot movement while delivering essential safety features, making them ideal for professionals who require both reliability and comfort in their footwear. With their combination of Kevlar reinforcement, steel toes, visible night strips, and durable rubber soles, these shoes offer comprehensive protection while maintaining a contemporary aesthetic that suits modern work environments. These safety shoes reflect a thoughtful approach to workplace footwear, where protection, visibility, and durability meet functional design to create a dependable companion for daily industrial challenges. At number 3, we have the Mjythf safety shoes. The Mjythf safety shoes are engineered to provide a seamless balance of protection, comfort, and functionality, making them an ideal choice for demanding work environments. The shoes feature a breathable mesh upper designed to keep your feet cool and dry throughout long hours of wear. This thoughtful construction enhances airflow, ensuring comfort without compromising durability. At the heart of the Mjythf safety shoes lies their steel toe protection, a core feature that safeguards against impacts and potential hazards on the job. This reliable reinforcement ensures that your feet remain shielded in environments where safety is paramount. Complementing this protective aspect is the puncture-proof sole, offering robust defense against sharp objects and rough terrain. With this design, wearers can navigate workplaces confidently, knowing that their feet are well guarded from unforeseen dangers. Despite their protective capabilities, these shoes maintain a lightweight design, allowing for extended wear without fatigue. The combination of sturdy construction and reduced weight ensures that movement remains natural and comfortable, supporting both agility and endurance. Adding to the practicality of the Mjythf safety shoes is the convenient rotary buckle closure. This feature enables a precise and adjustable fit, allowing wearers to secure the shoes quickly while maintaining comfort throughout the day. The rotary buckle system provides a modern alternative to traditional laces, enhancing ease of use and overall wearability. With its focus on breathability, safety, and user-friendly design, the Mjythf YD266 safety shoes cater to professionals seeking reliable footwear for challenging conditions. Every element, from the mesh upper to the puncture-proof sole and rotary buckle, has been thoughtfully crafted to combine protection and comfort in a single, versatile shoe. These safety shoes reflect a commitment to durability, innovation, and everyday practicality, supporting workers across a variety of environments where both safety and comfort are essential. Next up at number 2 is the Acrobatix safety shoes. Acrobatix safety shoes are engineered to provide superior protection and comfort for both work and everyday use. Designed to meet European safety standards, these shoes feature a steel toe cap that delivers anti-smashing protection, safeguarding your toes against heavy impacts and potential workplace hazards. The inclusion of an anti-puncture Kevlar midsole ensures that the soles remain protected from sharp objects, giving users confidence in navigating various environments. Comfort is a central focus in the design of Acrobatix safety shoes. The elastic insole is crafted to fit the natural arch of the foot, providing cushioning that supports long hours of wear without discomfort. The innovative technology knob allows for effortless slipping on and off, making them practical for daily routines. With these shoes, safety does not come at the expense of ease or convenience. Whether for professional work environments or casual daily activities, Acrobatix safety shoes combine robust protection with ergonomic design. Their durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the thoughtfully engineered interior promotes a comfortable fit. Every aspect, from the steel head and Kevlar midsole to the elastic cushioning, works together to provide a reliable, safe, and comfortable footwear solution. Acrobatix safety shoes are more than just protective gear. They are a versatile companion for anyone seeking dependable safety and comfort in one stylish, functional package. Finally, at number 1, we have the Leosoxs YD266 safety shoes. Leosoxs YD266 safety shoes offer a remarkable blend of protection, comfort, and practicality, making them an ideal choice for professionals in demanding work environments. Designed to meet European safety standards, these shoes feature a steel toe capable of withstanding impacts up to 200 joules, providing reliable anti-crash protection for your toes. Complementing this, the Kevlar midsole adds a critical layer of defense against sharp objects like nails and steel bars, ensuring your feet remain safe in high-risk settings. The wear-resistant EVA sole of the YD266 enhances stability and grip thanks to its clear texture design, while also offering non-slip performance on various surfaces. Despite their robust protective features, these safety shoes are surprisingly lightweight, comparable to a pair of running shoes, allowing for extended wear without fatigue. The high elastic sole, combined with super soft insoles, ensures that every step is cushioned, reducing strain on your feet during long hours of work. Comfort is further enhanced by the breathable upper, crafted from soft materials that keep feet cool and dry throughout the day. The combination of protective features and ergonomic design makes the YD266 suitable for a wide range of industries, including construction, automotive manufacturing, industrial work, and machine handling. Whether you are navigating a workshop floor or performing tasks that require extended standing, these safety shoes are designed to provide reliable protection without compromising on comfort, letting you focus on your work with confidence and ease. In every detail, from impact-resistant steel toes to breathable, lightweight construction, Leosoxs YD266 safety shoes demonstrate a thoughtful approach to workplace footwear, blending safety and comfort in a single dependable package. What an impressive lineup! Check the price link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more great recommendations.